So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them. So you want to click on both of them, and they're now going to start downloading. And now once you've downloaded both of them, you want to right click on one of them and then click on Show in Folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on Install. And then click on Yes. It's now going to start installing. Now once it's been installed, we can now close out of this. Now for the next one, x86, I'm going to double click on it, tick the box, I agree, and then click on Install. And then click on Yes. Wait for this. Now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.